Hi guys, this is Rowan here. I have my train and it's almost done. One thing that Tony Sava didn't do to this train is the air horn. I added the air horn. You can see that right there. The coupling. I also added. You can see here's the motor car. I added an update to it. It's these sloped pieces that I found on my kit of Legos from Lego Classic. I can show you the bottom. I can show you my trucks. The trucks are done already. You can see it and look, you can see. I can show you one thing that I haven't shown you in a while. I added that light right there, that light. See, and oh, sorry, something fell off. And one thing I did, I added a car. It's downstairs, sadly. So you can see that's pretty much it. Okay, bye guys.